Oh, hey, sorry about that. Staring at the view. My name is Dan Rubin, HRV Homes. Welcome to 3 Emmett Street. This new construction townhouse has been thoughtfully designed and has a single-family home feel in the heart of South Boston. Coming up from your mudroom, you'll enter this spectacular kitchen featuring European cabinets, Thermador paneled appliances, a beverage center to hold your wine and beer, Carrara marble backsplash, and of course these gorgeous 5-inch white oak floors. Off your kitchen space, you have a hotel-like powder room with floor-to-ceiling porcelain tile, a beautiful floating vanity, and gold fixtures throughout. As you can see, your kitchen flows beautifully into your dining living area. Plenty of space for a table of 6 or more. Heading into your living area, you have a 3-sided fireplace, vented on both sides, so you can mount your TV as low as you want. There'll be no heat. It'll be cool to the touch after hours of use. Some additional features this townhouse has is Sonos sound system, Nest thermostats, brilliant smart home system. It has all the bells and whistles you could need for modern day living in the city. The building faces west, so in the morning you get incredible light from the rear of the building, and in the afternoon the entire front of the building gets amazing sunlight. Heading up to the 3rd floor, you have your in-unit laundry as well as a small office nursery. Heading into your master suite, you're greeted by these spectacular looking Italian wardrobe systems, which feature motion sensor LED lighting and are fully customizable to your taste. And in the middle of your master closet, you have a gorgeous chandelier. The first thing you'll notice when you walk into your master bedroom is how many windows there are and the incredible natural light. You'll be able to fit a king-size bed. Off the master suite, you have a generously sized deck where you can fit a table and chairs to sip your coffees in the morning after you wake up. One of the biggest complaints we get all the time is storage. One thing that was added to this unit is hidden storage under the stairs. This spa-like master bathroom has 2 in-ceiling rain shower heads, 2 handhelds, 2 niches, 2 beautiful wall-mounted Brizo fixtures, Toto toilet, and a heated floor. As we head up to the top floor, you'll notice these gorgeous steel railings topped with a white oak throughout the entire unit. The top floor features a beautifully designed full bathroom with tub and 2 generously sized bedrooms that can easily fit a queen-size bed. Some of the amazing details on the exterior of this building feature hardy artisan siding, a great sized backyard for entertaining with an awesome patio, grass, piped for gas, water, and electric. This unit features a true single car garage, not a small little compact spot, but a spot large enough to even fit a pickup truck. An additional feature of the building is the door entry system. An app on your phone allows you to answer and unlock the door when someone buzzes your unit. Thanks for coming on this tour with me. This unit is priced at $1.699 million. If you're interested, we can schedule virtual showings, we can schedule in-person showings, whatever works best for you. Shoot me a DM, shoot me an email, give me a call, let me know what you think.